Hey guys, today we will talk about MailChimp and Appsero. One of our newest features is Appsero integration with MailChimp eCommerce. If you have a MailChimp eCommerce store, then you can connect it with Appsero by using the API keys. To get the API keys, click on your profile and go to Account and Billing. Then, click on API keys under Extras. Now, copy the API key. Go back to the Appsero Dashboard page and click on Integration. Scroll down and click on the option for Get Started for the MailChimp option. Click on Connect and paste the API key. Then, hit Connect to update the connection. Now, pick a store of your choice and click on Sync. You will now be connected to your MailChimp e-commerce store. You will now find all the needed information on your MailChimp dashboard. For example, if we go to All Contacts, then you can see all the details of your customers. Clicking on a customer's email address will show your customer's information. Again, if I go back to All Contacts section, you will also be able to see the tags assigned to your users. And that's it! Check out Appsero for managing your WordPress plugins, and also be sure to contact us for more information and subscribe to our channel.